And he arose and came to his father. But when he was yet a great way off, his father saw him, and had compassion, and ran, and fell on his neck, and kissed him. I encounter the Father's love, who sees me from afar as I return from wandering, and runs to embrace me in his arms. But Jesus turned him about, and when he saw her, he said, "Daughter, be of good comfort, thy faith hath made thee whole." And the woman was made whole from that hour. In that love I find healing for my wounded heart through his words. And blessed is she that believed, for there shall be a performance of those things which were told her from the Lord. I hold an unshakable confidence that every word the Lord has spoken to me will surely come to pass. A man's heart deviseth his way, but the Lord directeth his steps. Instead of striving to plan my own path, I now acknowledge that it is the Lord who directs my steps. And he that sent me is with me. The Father hath not left me alone, for I do always those things that please him. I believe that he is always with me, and he will never leave me alone. Take therefore no thought for the morrow shall take thought for the things of itself. Sufficient unto the day is the evil thereof. I lay down my worries about tomorrow which has not yet come, and choose to live fully in today's grace. In everything give thanks, for this is the will of God in Christ Jesus concerning you. Finally, I fill my life with gratitude that overflows in every circumstance. But the word of the Lord endureth forever. And this is the word which by the gospel is preached unto you,